Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's pattern you will need this is 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 8 plus 4 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. I have already done my border here, and after finish my border I have done one row of all purl stitches on the wrong side, right, one row with all purl stitches after finishing my border. And now we're on our right side, so we're going to start the repeat pattern from here. So here I have 22 stitches on my needle, which is 8 plus 8 16 and plus 4 extra stitches 20 and 2 edge stitches 22. So row 1 right side we're going to start the repeat pattern. Row 1 right side, your edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, and we're going to make 3 stitch in 1 2 times here and here. We're going to make 3 stitch in 1. So 1, wrap the yarn around, that's going to create 1 stitch, and knit one more time 3, 1 2 3, make 3 in 1, and one more time into this stitch 1, wrap the yarn around and knit one more time 3, make 3 in 1 2 times, and then knit 1 and purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done knit 1, make 3 in 1 2 times, 1 2, knit 1 and purl 4. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat, knit 1, make 3 in 1 2 times, 1 2 3, one more time, 1 2 and 3 times, 2 times, sorry, and then knit 1 and purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Sorry, we have done 2 repeats from here to here. This is 1 repeat and this is 2 repeat. And if you have more repeats, you repeat that first, and after you finish your all repeats, for the last 5 stitch, 4 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Last 5 stitch we're gonna knit this pattern here. Knit 1, make 3 in 1, sorry, make 3 in 1 2 times, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and then knit 1, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch, sorry, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1 2, sorry, purl 1 and slip 3, 1 2 3, slip 3 2 times, 1 and this 3 2 times, purl 1, and then this 4 stitch, purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat. Purl 1, slip 3 2 times, 1 2 and purl 4. With this 4 stitch, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Again purl 1, slip 3 2 times, 1 2 and then purl 4, 1 2 3 and 4, sorry, 5. And last 2 4 6 8 9, last 9 stitch, purl 1, slip 3 2 times, 1 2, purl 1, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. We're going to twist these 3 stitch to the right way with this 1 stitch. So twist this 3 to the right way, bring this 3 here from the front side, From this 4 stitch, knit 3 together through the front loop, right, through the front loop, knit 1, knit 3, so twist 3 to the left way. So bring this 1 stitch here from the back side and twist this 3 to the left way, and from this 4 stitch, knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop, and then purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Twist 3 to the right way, twist 4 to the right way, twist 4 to the left way, and purl 4. Again, twist 4 to the right way. From this 4 stitch, knit 3 together, knit 1, twist 4 to the left way. From this 4 stitch, knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop, and then purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Twist 4 to the right way, knit 3 together through the front loop and knit 1, twist 4 to the left way, and from this 4 stitch, knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. So we have done half repeat here, and next half of the repeat here we're gonna knit this pattern here and this pattern here. So row 5 right side, edge stitch, slip, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, and then here knit 1, make 3 in 1 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 times, and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 4, knit 1, make 3 in 1 2 times, 1, 2, and then knit 1. Again, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 1, make 3 in 1 2 times, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 times, and then knit 1. And last 5 stitch, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, edge stitch, knit. Row 6 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip purl wise on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then slip 3 2 times, 1, 2, and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip 3 2 times, 1, 2, and then purl 1. Again, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip 3 2 times, 1, 2, and then purl 1, and last 2, 4, 5 stitch, purl 5, sorry, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, edge stitch, purl on the wrong side. Now row 7, for row 7 your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, and then twist 4 to the right way, bring this 3 stitch here from the front side, and from this 4 stitch knit 3 together through the front loop, knit 1, twist 4 to the left way, from this 4 knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop. That's the repeat. Purl 4, twist 4 to the right way, twist 4 to the left way. Again, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, twist 4 to the right way, knit 3 together through the front loop, knit 1, twist 4 to the left way, and from this 4 stitch knit 1, knit 3 together through the back loop, and then we have done 2 repeats, and your last 5 stitch, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. I have done 2 repeats here. This is 1 and 2. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.